We have kept this homemade Archar recipe simple with just 2 vegetables, cucumber and carrot. The tip of the cucumber where the stem is can be bitter. To get rid of the bitterness, cut off about 1 inch of the tip and rub the 2 sliced ends until there is no more foam. Remove the seeds and cut into thin strips. Do the same for the carrot. We are going to salt these vegetables for at least half an hour. The amount of salt to use will depend on the amount of vegetables we are using and how thick we cut the vegetables. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt to the cucumber and 1 teaspoon for the carrot. If they are sufficiently salted, they should be crunchy after half an hour. If they are still not crunchy, add more salt, but not too much, and proceed to the next steps only if the vegetables are crunchy. After half an hour, squeeze out the water from the vegetables. Add half a cup of water to half a cup of vinegar. This is the rempah paste from 4 dried chili, 4 shallots, and 2 cloves of garlic. We are now going to make the pickling liquid. We start by frying the rempah until fragrant for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the bowl of vinegar and water mixture. Add sugar to taste. We are adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. As we have a lot of liquid here, we have scooped out some of the pickling liquid and set it aside to be added only if we need more later. Turn off the heat and add the vegetables. Finally, add some crushed peanuts. We like lots of peanuts in our achar. Let it cool before putting them into a bottle. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.